Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable the Developer tab in Excel. With this tab, you can perform several tasks such as create and run macros, use ActiveX controls, access the VBA editor, use XML commands, use form controls, among others. By default, when you install Excel, the Developer tab is disabled and you need to enable it to use it. So just follow these steps. First, access the File tab and click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Customize ribbon in the side menu, and here select the Developer box. To finish, click on OK. And that's it. The Developer tab has been enabled and you can now access all the available tools. I hope I helped, and if you like this content, I'm sure you will also like this next video that I left there in the cards. See you next time!